Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to add multiple images on a Canva project. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that, just open up your Canva project that you want to add the image to. So after you open up your project, just head over here to the upload section and look for your image. Let's just say I'll select this image here. So I've already selected an image. I'll just resize it and I'll just select another image. So I'll just resize it again and I'll select another image here and I'll just resize it again. So that's it. That's how you can add multiple images on a Canva project like you wish. So that's it with the video, guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.